Yes! No pressure, Morgan.
I'm gonna kill him!
Lean back one.
No, you're done.
Slowly. Come on.
Oh for one.
Yeah, nice too.
I gotta get it in. Oh, you fucking dick! Ah, you stupid demonic! You idiot!
Put your head back, and you have to get it in here.
Ah! Ah!